Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we'll be testing out the Fenty KILLAWATT foils. As you beautiful people know, this is about the product, not the people behind it. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. I don't know about you, but I woke up so fucking tired. Like, I did not sleep well last night at all, but when I walked into my makeup room, I saw these sitting on my desk, and nothing would wake this bitch up more than a fucking glowgasm. Not gonna lie, I do tend to stray away from Fenty beauty items only because they don't really work for me. Not sure what it is, maybe it's my skin type or my skin tone, but it's usually either a big ass hit or a big ass miss. I will say I absolutely adore the Fenty Stunna lip paint. Like, to this day, it is one of my all-time favorite lipsticks. It's got a great formula, great color, I love it. I also really liked her highlighter formula, even though the shade I picked did not look good on me at all. The formula itself was really good, so I'm actually really fucking hopeful for these. I'm assuming they're the same formula as the highlighters, and when I ordered these, I wasn't certain what these were. Were they like a highlighter or an eyeshadow or a blush? But now that I'm reading the back, it says you can put it pretty much anywhere that you want to glow. But on the front, it does say Freestyle Highlighter Duo, which I actually really like because the colors are so vibrant that you could just use them as an eyeshadow, but if you're a crazy bitch like me, then you could use them as a highlighter too. And they do offer one more of these duos, but I didn't get it because I didn't think I would use the shades, but it's kind of like a nudish brown mixed with a baby blue. It just didn't appeal to me as much as these two did, and I'm not gonna spend 36 bucks on something that I won't use. Because $72 for 4 shadows was painful enough, like, oh. But you're paying for the name, you're paying for the packaging, and hopefully for the quality. But speaking of packaging, this is so fucking beautiful. Like, one thing that I absolutely love about Fenty is that their packaging is always on point. Like, this shit is fucking art. It is bootete. I don't care who you are, you cannot say that this isn't good looking. As for the compact itself, it's just a plain little compact. It has the Fenty Beauty logo on it. The name's right there. It's nothing special. But I feel like I say it's only not special because I've seen this for so long, when in fact it is actually really pretty. But let's take a look at Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. Ooh, a little bit dirty she is. Just wipe them edges clean. Ooh. Whew. The shades are very pretty, not the most unique in the world, but for some reason this is giving me serious Harry Potter vibes. Like, if Hogwarts added an extra house to it, like, this would be the house I'd be in. There'd be like Slytherin, Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, Hufflepuff, and the gays. Like, don't you just want to strap on a cloak and wear a scarf these colors? Maybe it's just me. Anywho, they're very, very pretty. This next one that we have is 7-Day Weekend and Poolside. Oh shit, I love this one. Like, even if this formula is shit, this is still really pretty to look at. Like, just the way those two go together, it's beautiful. And I also appreciate the fact that there's a nice mirror on it. It has her little logo embossed on it. This is actually really fucking nice. I just want to feel these and swatch them. Oh my gosh, that is really fucking soft. Okay. Oh, it's a little bit chunky and chalky and patchy. At least Poolside was, but I mean, once I rub it around a bit, it does kind of fix it, so I guess they're pretty. But for 18 bucks a pop? I don't know. Let's try these guys. Oh my god, those are really damn soft, like, you gotta admit that. Okay. Let me try to rub it around a bit. Ooh, it gets really pretty once you rub it around. Ooh, yes. Okay, so once you kind of rub it in a bit and spread the pigment around, they become beautiful, but still $36? Ugh. Like, this is $72. Holy shit, that's a lot of money. I will say, though, they are absolutely stunning. They're very, very pretty. I'm just such a cheap ass that it's taking me a little bit of time to process that I just spent $72 on 4 fucking shades. But 7-Day Weekend, this one right here on the bottom, is so pretty. Like, look at that one. It is definitely my favorite. I mean, they're all pretty, but that one in particular, oh, yes. Ooh, 72 bucks, okay. But enough of my bitching about the price. I'm actually really excited to try these on my face and add these to my collection, so let's go ahead and do a look with these. For foundation, I'm gonna try this Milani Conceal and Perfect in some random ass color. What is this? Too Natural. I'm a bit more tan than I normally am, and I always go way too yellow and way too dark with my foundation, so hopefully this will actually match me now. And I'm gonna use this cute ass little mirror, which actually is a really, really fucking good mirror. Like, thank you, Fenty. That doesn't match me. Okay. Too late to go back now, bitch. And for a concealer, I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Revolution in the shade C9. What the fuck? I still see some serious shit happening underneath my eye, so I'm gonna go back over that with some Shape Tape in the shade Light. And let's go ahead and set underneath the eyes with some translucent setting powder. This is the RCMA No Color Translucent Powder. And then while that's setting under the eyes, I'm gonna go in and press some coaties all over the rest of the face. To prime the eyes, I'm just going in with NYX's Shadow Base. And it's kind of a gross day outside today, like it's rainy and it's thunderstorming, so I want to pick up the vibes a bit and make it kind of happy. And so I'm gonna do a bright yellow look. So to start the yellow off, I'm gonna go in with Spectrum Cosmetics in the shade Atomic, and I'm taking a bit of that on a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go back and forth all over the crease. Oh my god, that's pretty. This shadow was from an Etsy review that I did a while back, and I absolutely love it. Like, I totally recommend the brand. But I'm gonna continue sweeping that back and forth, working it towards the brow bone. Then using the Shayla ColourPop Perception palette, I'm gonna dip into the shade Thick, and then I'm gonna go along the crease again, but kind of place it underneath the yellow. And I'm not gonna go as far in as I did with the yellow, just about halfway in or so. Just like that, add a little pop of color there. Ooh. And to bring in some of the pinky tone that's in Sangria Sunset, I'm gonna dip into this Bad Habit Athena palette into the color Justice. And I'm gonna start by dabbing that on the lower lid, right on the outer corner. And we'll slowly start to kind of work that shiz all along the lower lid. Oh. Now I'm gonna take a bit of Mimosa Sunrise on a flat brush and kind of work it into the inner corner. Hey there, bitch, how you doing? Oh, that's pretty. It is extremely chunky and powdery though. I don't know if I should have used this with a wet brush or what, but it's going on, but then it's kind of instantly rubbing off. Let's try with our fingers, maybe that'll help. Oh, yes. Oh, shit, yes, that is definitely the way to go. Once again, we are using my favorite tools, the fingers. So I think what I'll do is I'll kind of place it where I want it to be and then pat it in with my finger just so that it's not a big fucking mess. Then on the middle of the eye, I'm gonna take some Sangria. Woo, shit, that was close. Oh, fuck. On the middle of the eye, I'm gonna take some Sangria Sunset and I'm just gonna pat it on with my finger and kind of work it into that gold. Ooh, that's nice. When you apply it with a finger, it goes on so nicely. Like, I wouldn't even bother with a brush, honestly. However, it is a little bit difficult to be precise with your finger, so I'm just gonna take a little bit more on a brush on the inner eye and kind of work it into the pink. Okay, so I liked it at first, but now it just became kind of muddy. What the fuck can we do to fix that? Let's add a little bit more orange, maybe? Place a bit of that right there on the outer corner and work it up the crease just like we did before. And maybe we can pat on a little bit more of that gold with a brush. I don't know why I'm still using a brush when I know my fingers work so much fucking better. And I don't know if this is really registering on camera, but from certain angles, you do get the pop of that pink. Like, it kind of disappeared a little, but then when you look at it right, it adds a beautiful kind of fuchsia pop. Like, I really kind of fucking love it. But I don't think you can really see it on camera, which is kind of bumming me out. I'm gonna highlight the inner corners of my eye with some 7-Day Weekend. Oh, that's really pretty. That is really pretty. Oh, fuck yes. Just for shits, I'm gonna take a little bit of this right here in the middle just to kind of highlight that. Oh, hi, highlight. For the lower lash, I'm gonna start by smoking out a little bit more thick. I'm honestly not super impressed or happy with this look so far. I think what it's missing is like a bright red, so I'm gonna be a bit daring because the last time I used this, I broke out, but I think I'm gonna take this red in the Box of Crayons palette. It's the brightest, juiciest red that I own, so let's take that and put it right here on the outer crease and kind of work it up. Maybe that'll bring some life back into this look. There we go. I think that helped a little bit. Fuck, maybe it didn't. I'm gonna go back in and dab on a little bit more of this yellow. Ooh, shit, that's pretty. And I'm gonna put some Sangria Sunset over that light shade that we put on here before. Oh my god, I'm just packing this shit on. And I'm really only packing these on just to get a feel for these. Normally I wouldn't apply this much makeup because this is just ridiculous. And I'm gonna go and line my lower lash with a little bit of brown. And the bitch is not complete without a wing, so I'm going in with Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner. Lashes are on. We have a little bit of contour and blush going on. Now it's time for highlighter. Oh, I don't know which one I want to use. We haven't used this purple yet, but I'm not sure if it'll clash with what I'm wearing. I'm kind of scared that it will, so let's go in and take a little bit of 7-Day Weekend, and I'm sure I'm gonna layer the fuck out of this, so let's start with this one. Oh, fuck me. That is really pretty, like really fucking pretty. Oh, shit. Like, I don't even know if I want to layer more on top of this, which is saying something because this highlighter hoe loves to layer like 50 layers of highlighter on. But damn, oh. It's definitely one of those highlighters that melts into the skin. Like, it's not just sitting on top of my skin, making it look textured. Like, it's not chalky at all. I'm gonna go in with a little tiny bit of this purple. I might end up regretting it, but I really want to see what it looks like. Oh no, that's really pretty too. Definitely does not go with the eye look that I have going on, but it's still really fucking pretty. Oh, shit. And they are a little bit too pale for me because see how like when I turn my head, you can see it all along there, but that glow, oh. Let me see if I can kind of tame that a little bit because I do want to try this other little duo. Yeah, this isn't really taming much of anything. That glow is like forever there. Oh. But I really want to see how this pink would look on my skin, so let's try that. Oh, that is so fucking pretty. I mean, it definitely looks like there's an eyeshadow on my face. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but in person, it just looks like a big pink splotch right there. So maybe this is more for darker tone people? I don't know. But either way, that shit is gorgeous. Let's try to tame that one a little bit. So we can go in with the gold one. All right, here we go. Oh. Oh, that is so pretty. I think this one might actually be my favorite. I totally did not think it would be, but like in person, it goes with my skin tone perfectly. It's just, ooh. Oh wait, now that I look at it head on, you can see a big orange streak right there. Fuck me. Maybe it's just that I applied way too fucking much. Let's try rubbing it in with our fingers. No, that kind of took away all the orange. On the other side, let's just dab it in with our fingers and not even use a brush. Oh fuck, no, we still have the yellow pea stripe on my face. Okay, so maybe that one isn't my favorite. Like, it looks pretty when you're in the light, but then once you're head on, you can just see it and it doesn't look good. But what I absolutely loved as a highlighter that actually matched my skin tone was 7 Day Weekend. Fucking love it. That is a winner. Like, see how you can't see it head on? Like, it's not too light for my skin, but it really pops in the light. Just highlight the rest of my face with this shit. Oh. And I like the fact that even though this is a different tone than my eyeshadow, it still goes with it really well. But are these worth $36 a piece? I'll tell you after I put on lipstick. Which, of course, I feel like the best option for this look is Fenty's Uncensored. Shit, yes. And then over that, I'm going in with just a smidge of Pretty Vulgar's My Lips Are Sealed. So here we are with the final look. I feel like I could have done this in probably like 3 steps. I way overcomplicated it, but I do like it. It's pretty. But do I think these little bitches are worth $36 a piece? No. $20, yes, because they are beautiful. The packaging is amazing. The quality is really good, but $36? No. To me, they're just oversized eyeshadows. Like, if you have either of these colors in a palette that you already own, you could probably use it the exact same way as a highlighter. And it was probably just my skin tone, but for me, these did not look good as highlighters, so I really can't justify paying $36 for 2 little eyeshadows. For this little guy, I could use this one as a highlighter, but this one did not look good as a highlighter on me. Like, it looked really white and powdery, but this one, amazing. But then again, I can't justify paying $36 for this one little half a pan. Do I think they're good products? I mean, I do. There's nothing wrong with them. The formulas are good, the colors are beautiful, but it's just the price. Like I said, like $20 or $25 for a duo, that is much better. Like, that's more justifiable. So, do I recommend these? Yes and no, because they are good products. It's just that price point that's really bringing me down, so I would have to say personally, no. But if almost 40 bucks for 2 little shadows is within your price range, then definitely, like, you're not gonna be disappointed. You can get a beautiful glow. They're very easy to work with on the eyes when you use your fingers. There's minimal fallout. I really like them. It's just the price. But there you go. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepoplux.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at officialnady, and you can follow me online at thepoplux.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye.